Alright. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Farhanakal bin Isyamuddin. My metric number is 2219173. Okay, so I will share with you about our project for the introduction software engineering. So our project name is IIUM car rental. Alright, so for our application is accessible on smartphone and website for IIUM student. So it will provide easy vehicle rental for student including cars and motorcycle. So for the pricing, it based on the vehicle specification, and then our application also give wide variety of cars available at rental and convenient access to rental car at any time. Right, so for our current application, so this is witness in the current system. Okay, so one of the weakness in the current system is inconsistent pricing. So the pricing structure might be inconsistent with variety rates for the same type of vehicle. Maybe causing confusion and distraction among users. And then next, inefficient search functionality. So the system search feature might not be optimized, making it challenging for students to find the specific type of vehicle they need. And for and the last one is time is not flexible. So the client may have wait to for the response, resulting in delay and irritation. Alright. Next one is software process model. So our project is agile software development model. Okay, so for the first phase, agile project planning involve defining scope, stakeholder and goals, while our car rental project involve defining vehicle types, duration, pricing and policies. And the next one is gathering phase. So the requirement gathering phase involve identifying and prioritizing project requirement for car rental project, including reservation process, vehicle assignment and agreement signing between agent and customer. Okay, so the third one is design and development phase. So the team will create a prototype for the car rental project, including online reservation, vehicle tracking, and agreement creation. So for the fourth one is testing phase. So the team tests software for car rental project to ensure functionality, handling multiple user, and meeting security and privacy requirement. And the last one is development, implementation, and feedback phase. So the deployment, implementation, and feedback phase involve deploying software to production and gathering stakeholder feedback. So in the car rental project, the platform is deployed and addressed to meet needs. So the team use stakeholder feedback to make improvement and enhancement. So it will ensuring continuous improvement based on feedback from agent, customer, and maintenance teams. Okay, so that's all from me. So I will pass to the next presenter.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Aisan Nusimbi Ramji and I will explain on the use case diagram. Here is the use case diagram for the IIUM current system, and there are several general use case, which is add car, edit car, delete car, rent car, return car, and also view rental history. The actors will be admin and also customer. The admin able to add car into the system, edit car, and also delete car. For customer, they rent car, return car, and also view rental history from the system. So next is the context diagram. There are customer who pay rent car, and registration. All the data will be input into the rent car system. For vehicle management, it manage cars inventory, rental agent, They verifies customer information, generates agreement, and also odometer will be record rental period and also calculate additional fee. All the data such as customer rent history and car's inventory information will be stored into the rent car system database. Another diagram, there is a activity diagram where you start from login screen. There is custom rental and also admin rental. For custom rental, they can choose to select car or reserve car. If after they choose, they can choose to whether to confirm the rental, and if they don't want to confirm, they cancel the rental. For admin rental, they can add car and also update car. If they add car, they can choose whether they want to view the report or also delete the car. And if they after they update car, after they choose to update car, they have to view the report, and that's all for the diagrams.
My name is Nemo Shamin and I will present about use case specification. And our use case, we use our main use case, which is rent the car. And the trigger for for this use case is that the car owner that receive a phone call or an online reservation request from a customer. And the precondition for this use case is the system itself is running and available. And we go to the basic flow of the use case. And first of all, the customer will select the car that they want to rent from the available option. And the system action is that the system will display the available car and their rental rates. And the second one is that the customer will provide their personal information such as the driver license and also the payment method. And the third one, the rental agent will verify the customer information and the payment method and will check again the availability of the selected car. And the fourth one is that if the car is available and the customer information is valid, the rental agent will create a rental transaction and reserve the selected car for the customer. The fifth one is that the rental agent will provide the customer with a rental agreement, including rental period, rental cost, and any additional fees or charge. And the sixth one, the rental agent provide the customer with the key to the rented car and record the rented start time and odometer reading. And the seventh one is that the customer that take possession of the car and begin the rented period. And the last system action is that the system record the start of the rental period and monitor the rental period and calculate any additional fee or charge based on the rental agreement and car usage. And I think that's all for use case specification.
So next, I will explain on the prototype. As you can see here, this is the login page for our software, which is IIUM car rental. And as you can see on this little box here, there are two choices whether you can sign up or log in. If you choose to sign up, you can just click on the sign up, and if you choose to log in, you can just click on the login. And below there is a field where you type in your information such as full name, email, and also password. And once you confirm with the information you type in, you can just click on the sign up, or if you want to log in, it will display the login lah. So next is the homepage page where it displays all the available cars and the details such as the image of the car, as you can see here, the name of the car, and the price, and also the rating. On below the details, you want to choose your car to rent, you, you just click on the yellow button below. So once you click, it will display the customer rental page where it display the image of the car and also the name of the owner, and also beside the name it display the rating of the car. And besides the image, it there is a requirements you have to fill, which is the pickup location, pickup date, driver license, return date, and also payment method you want to choose. Once you type in all the informations required, you have to tick here the declaration, and after that you can proceed to rent the car.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Haris Irfan bin Hasnizam. My matric number is 2210555. So now I would like to present about the admin view dashboard page. So from here, admin can gain many information such as uh, booking number, the type of the car, the status of the car, whether it is already given to the customer or not, the date of the rental, the amount that need to be paid by the customer. Okay, next about the add car. So besides, admin also can add a new car if there is a new renter that want to give their car to the customer. Next is about the delete car page. So if the renter have an issue about their car such as accident or anything else, so the renter can contact the admin so that the admin can delete their car temporarily. Okay, and the last one is edit car page. So if there is an issue about their information, so the renter can contact the admin so that admin can edit and set up a new car for the renter. Okay, I think that's all from me. Thank you.